Now let us see the sentences using lag. Lag means to begin. Lag means to begin. How we are going to begin a action or a things or a work. Okay, my sari bejne laha. I begin to sell saris, like that. How we are going to start a business, start a work. Okay, like that. In that place we have to use lag. Lag means to begin or to start, etc. First one, वे मेरे मामा लगते हैं. वे मेरे मामा लगते हैं. See here, लगते, here वे, plural format. He is my uncle. अभी बाजार नहीं लगा. अभी बाजार नहीं लगा. Is market not open yet? Third one, बच्चा 8 बजते ही सोने लगता है. बच्चा 8 बजते ही सोने लगता है. The child begins to sleep even at 8 o'clock. Okay, the child begins to sleep even at 8 o'clock. Here the child is going to sleep. This is the action. Okay, he going to begin to sleep. Then only we are using here lagta. Okay, he are going to sleep, the action. चिड़िया सवेरे चहकने लगती है. चिड़िया सवेरे चहकने लगती है. Okay, the birds begins to chirp in the morning. मैं भी हिंदी सीखने लगूंगा. मैं भी हिंदी सीखने लगूंगा. Okay, I shall also start learning Hindi. I am going to start learning in. I am going to begin today. Okay, I am going to start. I shall also start learning Hindi. रेनू कल से खेलने लगेगी. रेनू कल से खेलने लगेगी. Okay, रेनू will start playing from tomorrow. Now, परसों यकायक पानी बरसने लगा. परसों, okay, परसों यकायक पानी बरसने लगा. Okay, it began to rain day before yesterday suddenly. यकायक means suddenly. वर्ग में लड़के चिल्लाने लगे. वर्ग में लड़के चिल्लाने लगे. The boys began to shout in the class. अध्यापक 10 बजे पढ़ाने लगे. Here he is going to start this session. He is going to begin the class. Okay. The अध्यापक 10 बजे पढ़ाने लगे. The teacher began to teach at 10 o'clock. पहाड़ से नदी बहने लगी. पहाड़ से नदी बहने लगी. Okay, the river started flowing from the mountain. तुम्हें यह चोट कैसे लगी? चोट means wound, injury. तुम्हें यह चोट कैसे लगी? How did you get this wound? वे तुम्हारे कौन लगते हैं? वे तुम्हारे कौन लगते हैं? How he is related to you? What is the relationship between you and he? Okay, now we are going to see here same procedure for all these verbs, grammars. We can say laga, laga for male, lage for plural format of male and elders, lagi, lagi for female. Okay, these are the same procedure. Okay, see here, वे मेरे मामा लगते. Okay, a sound high. He is my uncle. अभी बाजार नहीं लगा. Is market not open yet? बच्चा 8 बजते ही सोने लगता है. बच्चा 8 बजते ही सोने लगता है. The child begins to sleep even at 8 o'clock. चिड़िया सवेरे चहकने लगती है. The birds begin to chirp in the morning. मैं भी हिंदी सीखने लगूंगा. Male. I shall also start learning Hindi. रेनू कल से खेलने लगेगी. Okay, Renu will start playing from tomorrow. The action going to begin. The action going to start. परसों यकायक पानी बरसने लगा. परसों means this is before the time. Day before yesterday. See, it began to rain day before yesterday suddenly. वर्ग में लड़के चिल्लाने लगे. वर्ग means classroom. The boys began to shout in the class. अध्यापक 10 बजे पढ़ाने लगे. The period starts now. The teachers are going to start the lessons. Okay. The teacher began to teach at 10 o'clock. पहाड़ से नदी बहने लगी. Okay. The river started flowing from the mountain. तुम्हें यह चोट कैसे लगी? How did you get this wound? वे तुम्हारे कौन लगते हैं? How he is related to you? Okay, these sentences very useful for the actions. How we are beginning the action? We have to use this. Take a note and make many sentences like this.